Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Technology with Bilal. Today I will be reviewing the Nikon Coolpix S2900. It's a really good starter camera and I learned all my basics for photography on it. So I will be showing it to you guys so that you may know the features of it before buying it. So let me get into the box. So this is the charger. This is from the charger from the back. You can pull it out or push it in. This is the cable wire. It's really different from the other ones, as you can see it. And now this is the camera, as you can see it. Now before I turn it on, I will show you the exterior features of the camera. Now this is the power, this is the take picture button, and this is the zoom one. This is the turn on camera feature, from which you can turn the camera on. Now from the back, this is the screen of the camera. This is the video recording one. This is the OK one. This is the timer, the setting the flash, the white balance setting mode, and the scene mode. From this, the scene mode, the one with the flower on it, you can set the camera to macro mode. For all the photographers out there, you may know what macro mode is. And this is the scene mode, in which you can select features such as like portrait mode, landscape mode, and stuff like that. I will show you when I turn on the camera. This is the menu button, the delete button, and this is from where you can access your photos. Now over here, this is the lens. This is the light which blinks when you focus on a picture or when you've set a timer, and this is the flash. Once I dropped the camera and it damaged the lens, so I have to pull it out myself. The rest of it is good. I push the power button and now the camera is on. As you can see, the lens is here. So now, as you can see, the screen is on. So I can zoom in or zoom out from this trigger here. And if I take a photo of it, I can select this photo button to view the photo for me. And I can select the photo mode again to go back. Now from here, I can record a video, and in the photo button, I can press the OK button. Sorry for that. And look, I can view the video. I can set the timer for 2 seconds or 10 seconds. I can set up the flash, auto or no flash. I can set the exposure also known as the white balance. I can set the camera in macro mode from this button. Now in the scene 1, you can select the auto selector scene, the portrait mode, the soft mode, the smart portrait, and auto mode. Okay, so now that I've shown you the main features of the camera, let's get into the settings. From here, you can select the megapixels or the resolution for the pictures. You can select the movie options, from where there is the autofocus mode, the single autofocus or full-time autofocus. You can go in the movie options, which I can select the frame rate and the megapixels and the quality of the photos. As you can see here, I can go in the wind noise reduction, in which in areas where it is windy, you can record your videos from wind reduction. In the regular settings, you can set up time and date. You can use monitor settings, in which you can see the information of your photos, the image review, your brightness. You can go in the Autofocus Assist, in which it will help you set the focus itself. Otherwise, you can set it up manually. You can turn on digital zoom. And that was pretty much it for the camera. Okay, so down here I forgot to show you that this is the tripod mount. From here you can take this out and charge the camera. As you can see, the cable goes in perfectly, and this is the place for the battery. You can slide it and it will open, and from here you can take out your SD card and you can take out your battery. So now that I've reviewed the camera for you, I will show the specifications of this camera on the screen, as you can see now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in the Nikon website. So I will be showing you the specifications. Now it tells that it has a 2.7 inch LCD, 5x zoom, and a 20.1 megapixel camera. As you can see that it's telling below the effective pixels that it has a 20.1 pixel camera. The image sensor is telling, the lens with 5x zoom, the focal length, the aperture, the construction, the digital zoom magnification, the vibration reduction. As you can see, there is an electronic VR function, as I showed you in the camera menu, the motion blur. This I also showed you, the electronic VR, the autofocus, the monitor, storage, the file system and the file formats, the image sizes, the exposure, the shutter. You can pause the video at any moment if you want to review these. The built-in flash, the interface, the supported languages, the power source, the battery life, the tripod socket, the dimensions, which is really important, the accessories, all of these you get with it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you like the video. Please consider subscribing my channel and giving the video a thumbs up. So I'll see you in the next review. Until then, peace out.